Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of corporate filings. Today we're diving into a report from Flutter Entertainment, and let me tell you, this one's a bit of a gamble. See what I did there? Okay, maybe that was a bad joke, but the company itself hopefully isn't a joke. We're going to decode their recent report, which hints at upcoming financial results, so let's get started. This is an 8K form, which is basically a company's way of quickly telling investors about big news that might affect the stock. Think of it as an urgent update from the company to its shareholders. The date of the report is February 18th, 2025, so all the news we are talking about happened around that date. The company we're talking about is Flutter Entertainment PLC. They're registered in Ireland. The company's stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol FLUT. This section is just checking boxes. It's confirming that this report isn't also trying to fulfill other legal requirements at the same time. Think of it like saying this is just for this one thing, not a 2-for-1 deal. This is a quick note about whether Flutter Entertainment is a newer, smaller company. Emerging growth companies have different rules and regulations they need to follow. Here, they are not considered as emerging growth company. Flutter Entertainment has their stock called ordinary shares traded using the symbol FLUT on the New York Stock Exchange. This means you can buy and sell their stock just like any other company listed there. This section is just checking if Flutter Entertainment is a smaller, newer, emerging growth company. If they were, they'd have some extra time to meet certain accounting standards. Now we're getting to the important part, Regulation FD disclosure. This is where companies share information that could affect their stock price. Flutter Entertainment announced that they'll be releasing their financial results for the last 3 months of 2024 and the whole year of 2024. They're also holding a webcast, which is like an online presentation, and a conference call on March 4th, 2025. This is where they'll talk about the numbers and answer questions from investors and analysts. This announcement was shared through something called the Regulatory News Service in London. It's basically a way for companies to get information out to the public quickly. This section is about the exhibits, which are extra documents attached to the report. Exhibit 99.1 is the actual announcement they made, dated February 18th, 2025. Exhibit 104 is about the format of the report, specifically something called inline XBRL. It's a way of tagging financial information so computers can easily read and analyze it. Okay, that's the report in a nutshell. Now, what does this all mean? Basically, Flutter Entertainment is telling everyone that they're about to reveal how well they did financially in 2024. The company needs to share this information with everyone at the same time. This keeps things fair for all investors. So, what can we expect from Flutter Entertainment? Well, it's always hard to say for sure. It's a global gambling company, so the company makes money from sports betting, online casino games, and other forms of gambling. They are in a very competitive industry and it's hard to have an edge. Here's my take. Assessment of company direction. Flutter Entertainment seems to be making a big push into the US market. That could be a huge opportunity, but it also comes with risks. The US gambling market is still developing and it's not clear who the winners will be. Notable risks or opportunity. The biggest risk for Flutter Entertainment is probably regulation. Gambling laws are always changing and a new law could hurt their business. On the other hand, there's a big opportunity if they can successfully expand into new markets, especially the US. Stock price outlook. To make a judgment on the price, there are a few things to consider. The company's PE ratio or price to earnings ratio can be used to compare their valuation to other companies. If the PE ratio is higher than average, it means the company might be overvalued, meaning the price is too high. Conclusion. Flutter Entertainment is in an interesting position. They have a strong global presence, but they're also facing some big challenges. For a price range, I'd say it has room to go up to $180 to $220, depending on what happens to the US gambling market. Overall, I'm leaning slightly bullish on the stock, meaning I think it will go up, but it's not a sure thing. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more simple breakdowns of complicated corporate filings.